Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to reduce interest cost by restructuring with Lendingclub loans. If you're carrying high interest debt, restructuring through a Lendingclub loan can be a smart way to save money and to simplify payments. The idea is to replace multiple expensive debts such as credit cards with a single personal loan at a much lower fixed rate. To get started, review your current debts and interest rates, and then log into Lendingclub and apply for a personal loan that covers the total amount that you want to consolidate. Lendingclub will show you loan offers with different terms and APRs based on your credit profile. Select the option with the lowest overall cost, balancing monthly affordability with long-term interest savings. Once approved, use the loan proceeds to pay off your existing debts directly. This immediately stops the compounding high interest charges from other lenders. Afterwards, you'll have just one fixed monthly payment with a clear payoff timeline. By restructuring through Lendingclub, borrowers often find that they not only save on interest, but they also reduce stress by managing fewer bills each month. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.